She just spotted the camera in my hand.
Aaliyah, you're too cute. Are you sitting up by yourself now? No? Are you doing that on purpose? Are you trying to say something? Ooh, icky. What you got? Leah. You're trying to make me laugh? Are you trying to make me laugh? What is that? Are you dancing? You got a new move? She knows we're laughing at it.
But she has no idea what I'm really doing.
What are you doing, Aaliyah?